Hey guys, here's another update on my locomotives, and I'm gonna make this video pretty quick because my memory on my phone is, I guess, getting eaten up. So, on the last HO scale video I made, which was the patches, um, I said that the patches were some of these patches are gonna be renumbered, such as 3084, which was 3002, and now it's 3040 because 3002 was a former Reading. So now it's 3040. It's okay patch. And then on the other two, I said I wanted them, wanted them in CSX to make it equivalent. So this was 6703, and now it's 8720. Just like what I was supposed to be. And the G15, which I haven't patched it until now, is 1549. A mistake that I quickly found out was that when I was looking at the real product, the real thing, I forgot that Athearn messed up on the first run of G15s. They accidentally put in the can opener scheme, and in reality, 1645 was later changed to the Conrail quality scheme, and then when I went over to CSX, it was in the Conrail quality scheme. So can never win. But I'm just probably gonna deal with it, or at least change it. Because you can see that these patches are way too light, especially for this, the G15. It's way too light. And because the printer, my printer, the ink is, I wouldn't say drying, but it's dying. It's running out. I'm low on ink and colored ink. And, yeah. So, this is pretty much it. I'm just gonna make an all side shot of the locomotives. Oh yeah, also blacked out the class lights. If you notice, it says GP40-2 there and GP40-2 right there. That's a mistake. This is from the previous patch, and it was actually put in the GP4-2 is not supposed to be on the left; it's supposed to be centered. So I probably might have to black this out. Let's scraped 8720, and now here's 8720. You can see it says CSXT. And next is 1549. So I'm probably gonna have to renumber this. At least request for another patch. Seems like all the locomotives except for the 5157, which is originally 6558, which was unrealistic, all need second patches. So far this is fine for now. That's fine until I get a new supplier in ink and probably a different number for 1549. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's possibly another HO update unless I just leave it as it is, but you never know. There possibly might be. So, yep, that's pretty much it.